Are you losing sales because visitors just don't trust your site yet? It happens all the time. People land on your page, they look around, but without a single testimonial in sight, they leave. And here's the thing, you can fix that right now. Add a dedicated testimonials page in Namecheap in under 5 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to add a testimonials section using Namecheap's built-in blocks. Just follow these simple steps. So start by opening your site in the Namecheap website builder editor. This is the same dashboard where you've been building your pages, so you should feel right at home. Once you're in, look for the button that says Add More Content. It's usually near the bottom of your page or along the side panel. Click that. Now, from the list of content options that pops up, you're going to see all sorts of blocks: images, text, videos. What we need is the one labeled Testimonials. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a preview of what the Testimonials block looks like. Click on it again to select it. Then, to actually place it onto your page, find and click the Continue button. That drops the block right where you need it. And now for the fun part, customizing. By default, Namecheap gives you some placeholder text and a couple of generic reviews. Let's replace those with your real customer stories. Click on the text area and start typing. Add the person's name, maybe their company or title, and most importantly, what they actually said about working with you. I always recommend using a real quote if you can. It sounds so much more authentic. You can also tweak the layout to match your brand. Change the background color, adjust the font, or switch between different styles, like a grid or a carousel. Namecheap makes it really flexible. Just play around with the settings until it feels right for your site. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make it live. Hit that Publish button in the top right corner. Give it a moment to process. It usually goes pretty fast. And just like that, your site now has a dedicated space that proves you're the real deal. Visitors see happy customers, they feel more confident, and that trust leads to more conversions. You've taken a simple website and turned it into a credible, trustworthy business page. Well done.